Hello students, welcome to Biochemistry by Revati. I'm Revati and in today's class we are going to learn a very basic and a very important topic, the scope of biochemistry. Biochemistry is not just a subject to prepare for exams, but it also explains how our body works at the molecular level. For example, right from our birth to death, it means how we grow, how we stay healthy, and even how medicines cure us from illnesses. For all these questions to be answered, uh, now let's explore where actually biochemistry is used in real life. What is biochemistry? Biochemistry is a branch of science that deals with the study of chemical processes of living organisms, like how digestion takes place and how energy is produced in cells. It's nothing but chemistry of life. What is biochemistry? It is the chemistry of life. And the term biochemistry was first introduced by Carl Newberg in 1903. Have you ever wondered how glucose gives us instant energy, or how a fever medicine like paracetamol works on our body? That's all biochemistry. Now let's get into the actual topic, the scope of biochemistry. What? Scope of biochemistry. Firstly, medicine. Doctors use biochemistry to understand diseases. They do biochemical tests, and also they make medicines. For example, blood sugar test. For example, blood sugar test. It is a biochemical test. It is a biochemical test. Now you tell me, blood sugar test is used to detect which disease? Blood sugar test is used to detect which disease? You comment me. Second, nutrition. It tells us why we need proteins, vitamins, and minerals. What happens if we don't get enough of them? It leads to malnutrition. What is malnutrition? It is nothing but the deficiency of these proteins, vitamins, or minerals. Deficiency of the proteins or vitamins or minerals leads to the kind of disease called malnutrition. Now, tell me, malnutrition leads to which kind of diseases? Comment me if you know. Third, agriculture. Biochemists help in improving crop quality and helps in making plants disease resistant. Fourth, genetics and molecular biology. Biochemistry helps us study DNA, genes, and how genetic diseases occur. Fifth, pharmaceuticals. It helps in drug design. It helps in drug design, like how COVID vaccines or insulin are made using biotechnology. Sixth, forensic science. Sixth, forensic science. Biochemistry helps in crime investigation. It helps in crime investigation, like uh, like using DNA to identify a suspect. Seven, environmental science. Seventh, environmental science. Biochemistry helps in clean oil spills using microbes and also checks water pollution levels. Now tell me, which microorganisms are used to clean oil spills? Comment me. Which microorganisms are used to clean oil spills? If you know, comment. Now let's summarize briefly. Biochemistry is a chemistry of life. What is biochemistry? It is a chemistry of life. So, whether if we take scope of biochemistry, whether it's medicine, farming, whether it's medicine, farming, crime investigation, or nutrition, biochemistry is everywhere. So, biochemistry is a subject full of life, science, and also possibilities. If you enjoyed learning these, please like the video, subscribe to my channel Biochemistry by Revati, and also press the bell icon for more simple and interesting biochemistry lessons. Next, we'll cover water as a biological solvent and another important topic. See you in the next class.